welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really easy recipe for you for a keto breakfast shake using all these ingredients, but you can mix and match it to suit your dietary requirements, your taste, what you feel like. And I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below so you can follow the instructions, you can get ideas for adaptations, pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make this easy keto breakfast shake. But let me quickly talk you through the ingredients I have today. I have got frozen strawberries, whole frozen strawberries. You can use any berries you like. I've got coconut milk, that's my milk of choice. You can use almond milk, any kind of milk that you like. I've got fresh Irish cream to add some good healthy fats. I've got a portion of protein powder over there, and I've got some natural yogurt. And I found the lowest carb yogurt you can for it to be keto friendly. Otherwise, if you're just wanting a breakfast shake, use any yogurt you like. Okay, now let's pop it all together. I've got my blender out and I'm going to start by adding 3/4 of a cup of milk. I thought I'd just use a 1/4 cup and just keep pouring things into it to make it easy for myself. So there's 3/4 of a cup of milk in there. We'll add 1/4 of a cup of our beautiful cream that just adds some healthy fats in. I'm going to add just a couple of those strawberries in because although you can have strawberries on keto, you don't want to go overboard. So we're just going to add in 4 of those big beautiful strawberries. And now I'm going to add in some of that yogurt. It gives lovely creaminess and some extra protein as well. And finally, a 1/2 to a scoop of protein powder. You don't have to add that in if you want to add yogurt that has protein or whatever else you like. But I'm happy with those ingredients. You can add a bit of stevia to sweeten it, whatever you like. But I'm going to just pop on my lid, turn it over and get it blending. Okay, got my blender all plugged in. Let's blend up a smoothie. And there you go, the breakfast shake is done. Just those few berries made it nice and berry. So we're going to pop it into a glass. And there's plenty in here to have a good glass and a half. Or you could just drink it straight out of the container. But that is a beautiful breakfast shake, really easy. You can adapt it to meet your dietary requirements, your macros, whatever you like. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this breakfast shake a try. I look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.
Hello everybody. Happy snowy Tuesday. Oh my gosh, we are in the house and I'm going to make my lunch. Someone suggested this to me yesterday. If it was you, thank you, because this is literally the most amazing thing ever. This is going to be my lunch today. I hadn't tried this until yesterday to mix these two together, and it is so amazing. So I already put a scoop chocolate shake into my shaker bottle. Our chocolate shake is a plant-based protein, you guys, so it is 100 grams plant-based protein, 2 net carbs, so super keto friendly, pea protein, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, vegan. You can see it all says that right on the front. And I'm a chocolate lover, so I'm using chocolate. So I have 1 scoop of chocolate shake in there, and the boys are home and Ryan's home, and we are just hunkered down. I hope you guys are all staying safe out there. What I added yesterday to this for the first time was the keto creamer, and I'm just seeing my scoop isn't actually in there right now, so I'm just going to use a spoon. And oh my gosh, because I was like wanting something that was going to fill me up, because I was really hungry yesterday, and I'm actually really hungry today. Normally I would just have the shake with the unsweetened vanilla almond milk, which is really good, but to add those extra good fats that we know that we need in the keto diet, I'm actually adding some keto creamer, and it's really 1 scoop, but my scoop isn't in there, so I don't even know where it is right now. But 1 scoop is about, well, it is a scoop that comes in the package. So I've added that. The keto creamer is awesome because it's MCT oil, grass-fed butter, collagen, Himalayan pink salt, all inside this awesome creamer. It is 9 grams of good fats, which is what we want. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little blurry. 9 grams of good fats. So we're going to put that in there. And then all I do is add the chocolate shake, add the keto creamer, top it up with, ooh, I love that, Sam, unsweetened, the chocolate silk. Yeah, that's good stuff. That is good. Tiana, with your chocolate greens in there. Ooh, yes. That would be amazing as well. And that's it. This is one of the easiest things you'll ever make. One of the most delicious shakes you'll ever have. And it's going to keep you full. You're going to look forward to it like an amazing treat. You shake it, and you're good to go. I'm going to shake a little bit more. I hope you guys are having an awesome Tuesday. If you guys have questions about that, drop a 1. If you want to try the keto shake, drop a 2, and I will get you the information that you need. I hope you're having an awesome day, guys. See ya.
I got about a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half of matcha powder, 2 tablespoons of MTC oil. You start off with 1 and you work your way up and max out at 3 a day. It gives you a lot of energy, boosts your metabolism, everything. It's great. Super, because this is keto, but I like, you know, you want to make sure you get your greens and stuff in. So this is a Trader Joe's super green a drink powder, and it's chocolate flavored. You don't have to do chocolate flavored if you don't want. And then I have, you can see it in there, so far I have some Kerrygold butter. So it's kind of like a bulletproof coffee, but it's tea because I don't drink coffee. And then I put some spirulina in there. Normally people don't. Some Swerve. And then over here I have just some green tea that's been steeping. I'll show you what kind of green tea.
If we do not produce it's called
what?
Produce
You won't produce what? So you're just gonna pour. Try not to spill like me. Oh, we're not sponsored by Trader Joe's, is our saying. And then I'm gonna add some heavy whipping cream to get hydrates. But if not, this whole smoothie is about, I believe, 3, because let me see if the matcha has carbohydrates. Okay, so maybe it's more. Maybe it's like 5 carbohydrates or something, 6. So because this superfoods is like 3 carbohydrates, and then your matcha has some carbohydrates. Let's see how many. That's for 2, so this is gonna be 2. So this whole shake thing is like, because your almond milk does not have any carbohydrates in it. So for this whole drink, it's like 5 carbohydrates, and it fills you up. And you got your servings of greens, you got your matcha powder, which is giving you a lock it in. Good morning. I don't blend mine that long. The longer you blend yours, the so that's what it looks like. If the lighting's not good, if you could see what I see, it looks green like a matcha, but the lighting's not that good. Hold on for a second, guys, while I take this lid off. But if you take here, I'll show you guys it. See this? It's like not as thick. But the longer you blend it, the thicker it'll be, because you do have the heavy whipping cream in there. I get my heavy whipping cream at Costco because it's it's the best value, best deal. And then I get my, my almond milk. I get it from Costco or Grocery Outlet, because those are usually the best price. I think this one was like 50 cents at Grocery Outlet. Or you can also get it at Winco for a good price. Matcha, I got that at Grocery Outlet, but you can also get it from like Trader Joe's and stuff. Trader Joe's Super Greens. And then you could get your MTC oil on Amazon or Vitacost. And then also on Amazon.
And
stop, Azar, please. And then I get this on Vitacost, the Swerve. It's so good. It's literally the only sugar replacement I found that tastes like sugar. It's like, you will thank me later. And then Kerrygold butter. You could get it at a lot of places, but I get it at Costco because I feel like it's the best value. And then your teas you could just like get from most stores. It tastes good too. It's like just so creamy, and it tastes like a matcha with like a hint of